only know caffeine, we only know milk protein in coffee, but it contains very many more compounds, unending number of compounds. Some are known, some are not yet known also. Chocolate. Chocolate is supposed to install a sense of happiness. It induces happiness. These are scientifically proven. There are certain compounds responsible for that. And food crops wouldn't survive if we don't innovate in pesticides. Just the bad side of chemistry or chemical industry is portrayed. I have a couple of more slides to show that about the public image about the subject. Food crops, I'll tell you a story about this. Is characteristic of my way of interacting with people, is bring stories. Like, just talking about subject, it becomes dry and it will evaporate to such an extent that it becomes utterly boring in a few minutes. So story is the one which will help me hold the attention of the audience. So let me tell this story about this food grain. So there are these field trials of new pesticides. There was a new pesticide which came in market. This is a story from India, the farm fields of India. This pesticide was applied to cotton plants, and when I say cotton, actually Maharashtra, the cotton plants. This pesticide, year 1 of the recommended dilution is 1:100. That is 1 ml, 100 ml water, or 1 liter, 100 liter water. That was the ratio recommended by the manufacturers, and the crops were fantastic. Year 1, crops were very good, not much loss, and it was extremely good, and farmers were very happy. Year 2, same pesticide, 1:10 ratio, and they did not get the similar crop yield in the following year. Year 5, farmers realized that 1:10 is not working. They themselves, without anyone suggesting, changed to 1:20.